Looking for a book.
Hi, Emma. Are you looking for a book?
Yes, sir. I need a book for my English class.
That's great. What kind of book do you need?
My teacher said I should read a storybook, but I don't know which one to choose.
No problem. What kind of stories do you like?
I like adventure stories, but sometimes they are difficult to understand.
I see. Do you prefer easy English books?
Yes, please. I want to improve my English.
That's a very good goal. Let me show you something.
Oh, there are so many books.
Yes, this section is for beginners. The language is simple and clear.
Really? That's perfect for me.
Here is a nice one. It's about a young girl who travels to a new city.
That sounds interesting. Is it long?
No, it's not very long. You can read one chapter every day.
That's good. Sometimes I feel nervous when I read long books.
Don't worry. Reading step by step is the best way to learn.
Thank you, sir. Do you think this book will help my vocabulary?
Absolutely. You will learn new words in context.
What does in context mean?
It means you learn words inside sentences and stories, not alone.
Oh, I understand now.
After you finish this book, you can try a more advanced one.
That makes me excited. I really want to speak English fluently.
And you will. Just practice every day.
Should I read aloud?
Yes, reading aloud improves your pronunciation.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Come back if you need more books.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too. Happy reading.